Google Cloud investing $100 million into telehealth platform Amwell. Google Cloud is investing $100 million into Amwell as part of a multi-year strategic partnership. A comprehensive, patient-friendly telehealth system is critical to providing high-quality virtual care, Google says in a blog entry. Today, we announced a partnership with Amwell to help the healthcare industry transform for a world that is more reliant on telehealth and to ensure that healthcare organizations and providers are equipped with telehealth solutions that provide holistic and secure experiences, support HIPAA compliance, are fully integrated, and that will enable cohesive, patient-friendly journeys through the healthcare system, the company continues. They'll leverage Amwell's telehealth platform, integrating Google Cloud capabilities in artificial intelligence services for secure handling of healthcare data in the cloud and enabling data interoperability, as well as collaboration tools like G Suite and Google. Guys, getting involved now in the telehealth thing, boom, more upside. Holy mofongo, guys. Higher highs, higher lows, and we talked about it this morning. There you go, guys. I mean, not a lot of move. 0.5% at the end of the day. 0.6, 1585. Not a bad price point for Google. And I'm waiting for a break. Guys. It's creating higher highs, higher lows. I think Google is going to continue with the upside. There's a lot of things in the technology market that are moving. But before I review most of them, I got to go fast. Go fast, guys. I'm almost done. Let's do Zoom video communications. Zoom. Video investigating partial outages. Zoom video says investigating an outage, having received reports of users being unable to visit the Zoom website and unable to start and join Zoom meetings and webinars. Zoom video webinars are also suffering from the partial outage, which means the problem is only impacting some users. Updates will be posted on the Zoom service status page. And let's go ahead and take a look at Zoom today, how that article actually impacted the price. It did go down, but it's fine because, we needed to do it. We needed to retrace. After we break a resistance, boom, we got to retrace and retest. Not bad. I mean, what a great ride, guys. I haven't been entering once again. I still have some shares. I've been riding this wave since 100 and some. Or here is like already 100%, which I'm very happy with Zoom video communications. From Zoom, we're going to go ahead and move to DocuSign. Let's do DocuSign over here. DocuSign. Hires new CTO, former Microsoft and tech industry veteran. To support the expansion of the DocuSign Agreement Cloud, appointed 25 years tech industry veteran Kamal Hathi as its new CTO. Prior to DocuSign, he served as the Chief Product and Technology Officer at Trader Interactive. Before that, he spent more than 2 decades at Microsoft as GM for its SaaS analytics and business intelligence solution, Power BI. So let's do DocuSign, guys. Wow, what a mess. I know. But there you go. See, this is what we were waiting for, guys. What the heck are you waiting for? Look at that, man. Beautiful. 200 EMA retest. Going back to the upside. Let's see if that is the case, guys. I'm going to leave it as is. I don't want to get in this analysis too much. It does seem to me like there is a chance for this to go to 190. But I'm going to leave that as is because it was my original analysis. But I'm saying that when you have plan A, think about plan B, guys. If it goes to 189, then think about it, because if things go down for DocuSign, that could be an important thing. But now they're hiring new people with a lot of experience, which is good. See, I don't want to delete this daily, but you can see there is still a strong potential to hitting that 190. We'll see from DocuSign. From DocuSign, I want to go ahead and move to Spotify. Let's do Spotify. What the heck has Spotify got now? Spotify shares gain on League of Legends esports partnership deal. Guys, we've been talking about esports for the longest time. Under a new multi-year pact, Spotify becomes the exclusive audio service provider for the League of Legends esports league from Riot Games. The deal marks Spotify's first global paid, rather than battered, sponsorship deal. June Sauvagetz, global head of Spot's consumer and product marketing, says gamers are soundtracking their experiences with audio tracks. Sauvaget notes there's an overlap between gaming and music streaming audiences, but in the Venn diagram, there's white space on both sides. Spotify has worked to stand out from the streaming crowd with partnerships and a podcast push, which includes exclusive deals with the likes of Joe Rogan, Kim Kardashian. So, and me. Can you let me know? Okay. And Michelle Obama. So let's see Spotify over here. Spotify. Woo! Spotify creating higher highs. Not bad. The weekly, obviously bearish, but dudes, I think Spotify will reach $300 once again. Holy mofongo, guys. What an opportunity. Oh, my goodness, guys. I can't even believe that we caught this very, very beautiful trade. See, that's why I cover technology, guys. 110%. Look at that insane move, guys. Not bad for Spotify. But the daily, bearish. But I think there's a great chance for this to continue, guys. Look at that. Good rejection, my friends. Good rejections. Anyways, from Spotify, and since we talk about esports, let me go ahead and take a look at EA Sports. Turn the game. Or how does it go? How does it go?
EA Games.
Challenge everything.
Oh, challenge everything. There you go. See? Let me see over here. What the heck happened? EA, Electronic Arts. Woo, we're almost done with the news, guys. So submit your favorite symbol. And EA, 0.7% higher as Berenberg raises target on franchise strength. EA is 0.7 after price target increase at Berenberg, which cites strong franchises as a company strength that should see the company through short-term volatility. The firm raised its target to 165 from 125, implying 16% upside, and said EA's key franchises should be stable growers well into the medium term, allowing for performance under a whole magnitude of differing H2 outcomes. Sports games have performed particularly well over the past few months, the firm says, and EA, let's do it very quickly. Electronic Arts. Man, dude, he has reached our first target. Very, very excited. Very, very good. Congratulations for those who entered the trade and have done a killer. Not only Shoryuken, a
Monster kill.
guys, look at that holy mofongo move. Look at that, man. 53% patience paying off. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and start adjusting with my EMAs, guys. I feel better with them. Feel much better with my EMAs. Definitely showing good signs. I wouldn't mind EA going down now because, man, I mean, I want to get more for the esports, you know? And now let's go from EA to Disney, guys. I got to take a look at Disney. And then I got one more article, and that's it. And that fini. Disney leading old media in moving revenues to streaming.
What?
Streaming video was a new player's game well before Netflix became a $200 billion company. But when it comes to all media's direct-to-consumer video revenue penetration, Walt Disney looks to be showing the rest of how it's done. A new report from Macquarie says Disney will generate about $11.2 billion in direct-to-consumer revenue, or 19% of its total, the most among all line names. That's thanks to the recent but successful launch of Disney Plus, as well as Disney taking a majority control of Hulu last year, and perhaps also due to some near-term dislocation in its more traditional revenue streams. By comparison, Netflix is set to generate nearly $25 billion in revenue this year, nearly all from streaming. Lionsgate is a surprisingly close second to Disney in percentages terms, expected to draw 18% of its revenue from streaming this year. And Lionsgate is followed by Viacom, whose CBS All Access and Showtime streaming offers up 6% of total revenues. AMC Networks, which also gets 6% of revenues from streaming. Discovery, where streaming makes up 5% of revenues. Like ours, among the older media names include Fox, with 2% of revenues from streaming, and Comcast, which just joined the fray with its Peacock service. But I don't care about them right now. I care about Disney because you already know, Disney, one of my favorite companies. DIS, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. We got some upside, 2.55%. Woo! Look at that bullish candle, guys. I'm liking it. I'm loving it. And it's not McDonald's. It's actually Disney. And some people may be saying, oh, but David, you just look at the chart. Okay, dude. Well, if you have been following us, then a break of our resistance level is what we're waiting for. I mean, we've been riding already Disney once again over here since 120s, and I actually got some entries over here at the 100s and 90s. Why? Because I like Disney and I had to take that opportunity. And ending the tech sector, finally, DraftKings to push hard in Illinois after new ruling from governor. Illinois sports betting is back on the radar again after Governor J.B. Pritzker resigned an executive order to allow users in Illinois to sign up for sports betting accounts and place wagers without having to visit a casino in person. DKNG is seen as one of the obvious beneficiaries. We view this as an incremental positive for DKNG, given that the in-person registration at Casino Queen in East St. Louis, 4.5-hour drive from Chicago, puts them at a customer acquisition disadvantage to operators closer to the Chicagoland area, notes Oppenheimer analyst Jet Kelly on the development. It is not known how long the policy will be in place, which means DraftKings is likely to be aggressive in trying to add new customers in Illinois ahead of the NFL season. DKNG DraftKings is already promoting the new policy on its Twitter account. And you can see over here, you can register DK Sportsbook right from your phone, but only for a limited time. Boom, chakalaka, yo. Let's look at DKNG. And there you go. After the trend line break, a revisit, and now it's starting to look good, guys. Man, see, there are other sectors, guys, not only the biosector. Technology showing us good signs, guys. Let me know if you think we're going to be doing some with technology. And finally, guys, whoo, man, oh man.
1 hour later.
We have reviewed all of the news. So now we will review what you got over here in the chat room. Hopefully you have been patient with us. Holy mofongo, guys. Holy mofongos. Let me see the last few ones over here. Am I stonks? I bought Apple at 515. What? You bought it so high? Well, I mean, Apple will have the stock split. So that means that for every share that you got from Apple, you will have, I believe, 4. So think about it. Maybe that is... But it is pretty high. 515 was a little bit high. Let me be very honest. But Jason Park, your mindset is correct. Apple, for me, is bullish for the long term. Disney looks pretty interesting now. Broke downtrend. Let me see. Disney broke downtrend. Let me see. Disney. Dude. Oh, look at. Yes, I know what you're saying. This one, right? Yeah, dude. Definitely broke that. I like the 200 EMA. It's looking beautiful. Disney looks so good. So good. So I know James Gunn's Suicide Squad roll call looks interesting. Jordan Dowse, I like Disney too. My only question being the juggernaut that it is, why has it not pulled a Tesla? Because they're getting data. Think about it, my friend. Disney right now has the potential of pulling a Netflix. So it is Netflix plus other services, and I think Disney has to start getting more aggressive with their content, you know? Mulan movie will be the test. Yes, Mulan movie will be good. I think they should be doing it a lot, you know? Mulan and Disney Plus subscription numbers for fourth quarter. That 200 EMA cross on Disney looks yummy. I know, right? I know. The 14 and 200, that's it. That's what we've been waiting for, dude. And the beautiful thing about this is that and I'm getting goosebumps because you noticed that. It's because we got this huge separation of EMAs. And this cross is the crisscross of cross. Anyways, guys, that's a good thing. Blake Dawson, welcome to the channel.
Boom shakalaka!
Who argue Disney has more data than Tesla. They have data in their parks, in their cruise lines, but they don't have data for everyday roads. They don't have data of mileage consumption. They don't have data for the connection of applications they have. Disney, the only data that they have is the subscription that connected, which is a partial thing. And the other thing that Disney now will have is that data when users watch their content. That data will actually help them create content, something that they didn't have when they have their movies on Netflix and other stuff. Now they can actually be adjusting their content to their liking, you know? Let's see over here. Blake Dawson. I just drove 4 hours. Didn't stop. Held my pee so long. It felt like I
Oh shit!
when I took a leak. Oh my goodness, guys. What can I do? What can I do for you? Oh my god. Exactly. Yep. Andrew, we think alike. Let me go ahead. We got a lot of people over here in the chat room, guys. Don't forget to like the video. I don't, for some reason I saw 10 likes and now I see 9 and I see 11 people. I don't know what's the math happening today. What's happening with the math today? So let's see. NIOLI we reviewed. SHLL. Definitely a Hadouken. My friend Artie Smith.
Hadouken!
Welcome to the channel. I don't know if I said it already, but welcome once again. Tesla preparing. Yeah, let's look at Occidental Petroleum. Oxy. Occidental Petroleum. Dude, Occidental Petroleum finally showing us good, not perfect rejections, but a good daily candle. I want to see a trendline break over here. No confirmation as of yet, but definitely waiting for that one to give us some signs. We capitalized on the opportunity over here from 12 to 24. Now we're just waiting to see if there's going to be another bounce back. But before that, we need some good candles. No confirmations at the moment for me. Let's see. SMG. Let's do SMG. Yes, finally. We have reached to Squat's Miracle Grow. Dude, look at that. Look at that trade. Holy mofongo, guys. Look at that. Already 17, 18% the last time I reviewed it. But yeah, if you can see over here, Scott's Miracle Grow. Let me just clean this a little bit. Let me just go ahead and use my EMAs. Let's keep it simple. I like to keep it simple, guys. Sometimes I get too crazy with my lines, and I apologize about that. But you know how the Stonks are. By the way, if you haven't seen that Stonks video, go ahead and check it out. I haven't added the link in the description, but just write what is stonks and you will definitely get it. Scott's Miracle Grow, $172, looking very, very good. I mean, I can't say a lot about this one other than, let's see something, guys. Let me do a Fibonacci level. Let's do a Fibo. Can you see? BD. Where's BD? Let's see. We can go. Yep, $200. Easy. Well, almost $200. 195. Maybe over here 240s. And that's like doing it quickly. It's just to have a perspective of where it can go, guys. It's not the perfect Fibo level, but I think it can match that area very nicely. SMG. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, definitely something to keep an eye on. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna retrace back down, but I think SMG for quite a while is a long-term investment. Shout out to Mary Forales. I think Mary Forales actually got on this one like, wow, like at $70, $80, which is very insane. I'm very proud of her because she is kicking some booty, right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
I know, Randy. Let's see over here. Yeah, Moderna, dude. I mean, Patrick, the important thing about Moderna is that you have a trading plan, you know? Some people get in and they don't have trading plans, and that's very important to me. Hola, ¿cómo está? She said konnichiwa. She said palema French. I said balumana. Let's see over here. Let's see what we got. Ethereum, Apple. We did Apple. Nvidia. We got to do Nvidia. CRUS and RKB. G, Sa, Park. I got you. Let's start with Ethereum. Why not? ETHUSD. Ethereum. Woo! Let's look at the daily. Woo! What? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué? ¿El daily? What? What did daily do? Yeah, Jason Park, look at this. We said it. That the trend line was broken and it needed to go to the upside. Look at that beautiful move already. Boom, 3.2%. Thank you very much, my friend Andrew Grande. Very big. And thank you for the support. And dude, I haven't forgotten about you. Is that the designer hasn't provided me the assets.
Bruh.
But you deserve a
Hadouken!
for the super sticker. I love the stickers. It gives a little bit of a little bit of vibrancy to the chat room. Ethereum doing good. Apple we reviewed. Well, now that I understood their position at 515, I just can't even believe 515. Like, you guys just got it in the peak. But you know what? At the end of the day, I still think Apple is a bullish candle. Hopefully, we will see more bullish sentiment. But soon, just keep in mind that if it goes down, it can go down. It can go down maybe to 460s. At the end of the day, I do like Apple. And some people just getting in the trades when they can. For me, Apple is a long-term investment. They have good numbers, and good numbers will come out of the new iPhone sales, which I think is a good thing. NVIDIA, 1.2% to the upside. The daily, creating higher highs, creating higher lows. I'm liking it. Right now, it's not for me to say, hey, we're going to go up. But it's time for me to say, I want to see this continue with the upside, continue with our trade. I do want to see a break of a resistance over here to continue 5%. Sometimes people get in and get out short term. Some people like to hold for the long term. Really depends on your trading strategy. I highly suggest starting doing a trading plan to understand where is your head going to, or not your head, but your portfolio going to, and just have that perspective. CRUS, Serious Logic. Hey, finally, Serious Logic showing good rejections. Gee, finally, look at this. We are getting interesting signs. No confirmations as of yet. The final test for me will be a close of a candle in the 4 hour above the $60 level to go to the upside to 62. It's not a lot, but definitely a good start for something that can be a rejection. No confirmation as of yet. Waiting for that full blast confirmation above this resistance of $60. That will be the sign. BRKB, Berkshire Hathaway, Berkshire. How do you say Berkshire? Man, oh man, what a trade. Man, I feel so pumped up when I see these kind of things, my friends. Look at that beautiful.
Boom shakalaka!
Creating the structure. Third touch of a trend line and good rejections over here of the trend line that we broke, which I'm going to go ahead and deactivate. And you can see over here a next touch, second touch, and finally a third touch of the trend line. And there you go. Beautiful upside, and Berkshire Hathaway doing exactly what we expected. Kicking some booty, G. Congratulations.
Shoryuken!
Or do you like the...
Hadouken!
Let's see over here. M. Torres. Yes, IBIO finally showing some live. I know. SHLL, great run up. I know, which is insane. Wow, Patrick Ciareta is kicking some mad booty with SHLL, man.
Boom shakalaka!
Feliz como una lombriz, I am sure, huh? Feliz como una lombriz. Let's see what else over here. RDSA, Sotri, I apologize, RDSA. There's a lot of news, Royal Shella, but it's not the Shella that you drink from Mexico. Ooh, interesting, the daily rejection. Daily, let's look at the 4-hour. Ooh, double bottom, but no confirmations of yet on the 4-hour. 1 hour, I'm liking 1 hour better. I like 1 hour. Dude, I think this is looking better. Okay, I understand what you're trying to get to. I'm liking it. 200 EMA. This could be a good rejection area, to see this happening. And then going back down, creating a higher low, and then revisiting 14. If that's something that you're looking forward to. And then after that, I would like to see, if we get some good confirmations, I would like to see a close above the 50 EMA of $14, which can definitely be heading higher. Around 20%, guys. That will be lovely to see. So patience definitely required for RDSA. Let me see. Dude, Apple at 365. Very, very good. My shares are actually at 140s and 70s for Apple. And I wanted to get in more, but the time for me wasn't right, Nokia, let's look at Nokia. Nokia News today announced wireless service aggregation router is now approved for use on FirstNet, AT&T collab, only nationwide high-speed broadband platform. Let's go ahead and look at that chart of the Nokia. Today, 1.2%. Holy mofongo. Technology doing the move, guys. You must be saying David is crazy, guys. You got to watch him. You got to subscribe to his channel. You can see over here the 200 EMA that we have been retesting. I mean, good thing that we had that drop, dude. Let me tell you, good thing that we had that drop because we capitalized on the opportunity. I know this is quite messy, guys. I know. Let me go ahead and it's just the 200 EMAs. For me, the 200 EMAs are so important. But if there's any, let me see the monthly. The monthly, very important. You know what I'll do? I wanted to delete everything right now, but I don't want to. But I think there is great potential for the monthly. How many days? 6 more days left. And there's a great potential for this to head to $9 for Nokia. And since you mentioned AT&T, one of my favorite dividend kings, AT&T, $30.03, guys, waiting patiently. Ooh, Ooh, AT&T, give me some love. I think we can definitely be heading higher over here to 31.88. I don't mind AT&T staying in the low price range because I want to acquire way more shares. But at the same time, if AT&T goes up, my value and of my portfolio, the value of my portfolio will go up. And that, for me, my friends, it's a...
Hadouken!
Let's go ahead and review. We're almost done over here, right? We're almost done. So, 3, thank you for the perspective. Yeah, Tesla is a little bit high, you know. GE, we already reviewed. And my stonks. Dude, I love that. I love that video. I really had a lot of fun doing the video about stonks. About the... Let's see. Oh, let's review Kelly B. Kelly B. Let's do Kelly B. Or Caleb. I don't know how to say it. Caleb. But we're almost done with the video, guys. We're almost down. What the heck? This one is doing as well the same moves. Look at that. Holy mafungle, 73%. Who the heck is doing this? What a scalper, dude. But it's showing interesting signs for upside. Let me be very honest. The daily, I think this can actually... 35 again? What the heck? This one is way weird. Obviously, the contract roles, and this one, Kelly Services, is like more of a contract roles. And they haven't been getting good numbers. I will say just maybe even wait for the next month. Oh, who knows? Maybe it's a little risky trade, but you can get in and just capitalize on that opportunity. Who the heck knows? We'll see what it will do. Not a lot to say on this one, really. TNXP. Tonix Pharmaceuticals. The daily bearish. Yep. I think we said it here that it could go down. No confirmations as of yet. I'm gonna be very honest. This looks to me like it wants to go down. If we have good rejections, then we'll consider it. But right now, TNXP doesn't look perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this over here. Not feeling very confident about it. If we have any, who knows? Maybe if a break of a trend line or something. Nah, not even a trend line will help me right now, guys. Let me be very honest. Penny stocks, guys, very risky all the time. Use disposable income when you invest. See over here what else? MTUM. iShares MSCI USA Momentum Factor. Wow, 147. Let's look at them. Oh man, that 200 EMA bounce. Oh. This was the perfect entry, dude. That was the perfect. I mean, obviously, right? When the coronavirus. You never let me say, Cardi.
Guess what, bitch?
What?
Coronavirus.
Thank you, Cardi, for reminding me that I don't know how to say it. Sorry, guys. MTUM 147.21. Dude, the monthly will be an ideal candle, man. I'm thinking that now with these days, either we have a higher push and then on the last few days we will go and retrace a little bit to leave a wick like over here. You see the top of the candle that is leaving. That's something that I do want to see, but man, the weekly looks good. The daily, the retracement is not bad. MTUM, not bad, my friend. Keep an eye on that one. I'm being really patient. Thanks, Andrew. Andrew, how do you do sticker? Oh, click on the $ below here and support our dude. Thank you very much for promoting that. Hey, thank you. I really appreciate it, Andrew. I will buy more. I bought NVIDIA 508.28. What a fear of missing out. Yeah. What about Roku? Heckwash. Welcome to the channel.
Boom shakalaka!
I don't know if I say your name correctly. Heckwash? Can you do Roku? Let's do Roku. Let's do Roku. Dude, I love that sticker that you just put in, Andrew. See, I just love it. I just love that we are getting these features, and we're going to get way more features, guys. As I said, we are already almost done with the Discord channel. I'm just waiting for the custom emojis for this YouTube channel, guys. And if you want to have it, a membership is all required. I'm thinking about how to move forward with this. And Andrew, I know we're going to be working together in the future. So be patient with me. A lot of stuff happening. And Roku, you know what? It is on a consolidation zone right now, as you can see. It's not bad. It's on very close to the trend line. And what I want to see before any entries will be, this is actually a good opportunity, guys, for Roku. Let me tell you. If it breaks higher, we'll break over here, retest the broken zone to continue with the upside, which is equal to 10%. And Roku is not bad. Roku has data as well. Let me remove all of this so you guys don't get confused. I apologize. I know my charts are a little bit busy. Let's see over here. Let me remove this. But you can see that these are the different area that I'm looking for with Roku, which is 169. Chewy, don't look at me like that, dude. What the heck? It's only a number. And we can go to 176 and even 190s, which was one of the analysts we reviewed. Hopefully that's helpful. What was your name? Hikwash. Almost like He-Man, but Hikwash. But anyways, I think that's the video for today, guys. It is 8:30. I think we did 2 hours today. I appreciate you all being here and being patient with me. We did it! Ladies and gentlemen, the video for Monday. Thank you very much for those who supported the channel. Andrew Grandi, Eduard Murati, Patrick Ciareta. All of you deserve a
Monster kill.
shout out to everybody here. Jason Park, Hequatch, Sotri, Blake Dawson, Jordan, always supporting us. Emme Torres. Guys, everybody here. If I miss your name, I apologize. Don't forget that I will be doing an Amazon gift card giveaway for somebody in this group, you know. One more, SHLLU. SHLLU. Oh, this is the other one. I think this is the one for the merger, right? Wow, 45.79. I mean, SHLL today just kicked some booty, man. Booty, man. Kick a booty, man. See over here, higher highs, 48.19. I mean, there's not a lot to say. What I'll do for you, my friend, is a Fibonacci level and see if that actually helps us to have at least a perspective. At least a perspective. Not a perfect one, you know, but something to keep an eye on. Maybe 80s, maybe 60s. That will be good. Hopefully that's helpful, Andrew. Actually, I wouldn't mind to see a little bit of retracement. It already has done good things, but I can look at it on the 1 hour. I can look at it on the 4 hour. It's all about the daily, and the daily is bullish. I like the daily a lot. And that's it, man. What's the difference? SHLU. Well, this one is the corp unit, and then this one is the stock for the company. Right now, if you see the difference, it's $40 for this one, and then the .U is $45.79. So see, and then Brief Helion Tortoise acquisition announced merger combined co to remain listed. Interesting. I don't have a lot of information regarding SHLLU. Killer gonna run half SHLL and half SHLLU. Is the same stock, different class share. All movement on SHLL should be identical. Wow, Jordan Dow's providing the golden nuggets here. Really appreciate it, my friend. That's why I love this community, because we are helping each other with all of our knowledge, gather knowledge. You guys ask, I'm always trying to get the answers. We did a 2-hour video today, guys, so don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to share it with your grandmother, with your grandfather, with your brother, with your sister, with your brother, with your mother, with your lover, with your other lover. Chewies and your chewettes and dudes and dudettes. Thank you very much, and as always, with a lot of love, have a beautiful evening.